Jamaica, watch this.
As a Jamaican, I respect everything what everybody I do to help Jamaica and assist all nations. As a Jamaican, we want to be careful about the help we take, and in this time use the opportunity to show our resilience and show what we are made out of. Because we are not normal people, you know. We are built back, bounce back, big and higher. See me? But a lot of help, it's not really help. A lot of people just help themselves in that them can manipulate our situation. You see me? We don't want to help with strings attached. Help with a clean heart. Because if you help with strings attached, we're going to this here and dash it away. So we stay with Jamaican people. Yeah? So, you know, in this time, we give thanks, as we say, for every assistance to the fullness. So in this time, we call upon every Jamaican, everywhere in the world, everywhere upon the planet, to show who you are now and show who Jamaican are. Alright? One love.